Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on a product that promises to give your hair the moisture it craves, the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo by Alterna. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle hair and are on the lookout for a sulfate-free option that hydrates and protects, this might just be the game changer you need. Let's dive into the key details of this product. The Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo is designed to moisturize and soften your hair while protecting it from the harsh effects of aging. It's formulated without sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it a great option for those looking for a more natural, gentle shampoo without compromising on performance. The shampoo is in gel form, and it's made to hydrate dry hair, restoring it to a healthier, more vibrant state. I've been using this shampoo for a couple of weeks now, and I'll walk you through how it performed in real-life use. The first thing that stood out to me was the texture. The gel is smooth, not too thick, and lathers up surprisingly well without the sulfates. For those of us who are used to a rich lather, that was a small adjustment, but I really appreciated that it cleansed without stripping away moisture. It's a comforting feeling to know that this shampoo isn't leaving my hair feeling dry or brittle after rinsing, which is something I've noticed with other shampoos that boast moisture, but leave me with a squeaky clean feel that can sometimes be too much. When it comes to how it felt on my hair, I can tell you it definitely delivered hydration. My hair is a bit on the dry side, and after washing, I noticed it felt softer and looked shinier. I've also been testing it out in different conditions, like after a workout or on humid days, and I'm pleased to report that my hair stayed soft, manageable, and frizz-free. So far, no dryness or irritation, and that's definitely a win. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's sulfate-free and doesn't contain harsh chemicals like parabens and phthalates, so it's great for those with sensitive scalps or who want to avoid those ingredients. The moisture boost is real. My hair feels softer, smoother, and definitely more hydrated after each wash. Plus, it has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that lingers without being overpowering. On the flip side, it's on the higher end in terms of price, which might not be ideal for everyone. Also, while it's great for dry hair, I'm not sure how it would perform on those with oilier hair types. It might be a bit too hydrating for some, especially if you don't struggle with dryness. Now, value for money. While it's pricier than drugstore shampoos, the quality of ingredients and the fact that it's sulfate-free and gentle on the hair makes it a solid investment, especially for those with dry, brittle, or aging hair. If you're looking for a luxury shampoo that delivers moisture without compromising on the health of your hair, it might just be worth the splurge. Comparing this to other shampoos, it stands out because of its formula. Many other sulfate-free shampoos tend to leave my hair feeling a little heavy or greasy, but this one hydrates without weighing it down. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to check out other high-end sulfate-free options, but I think this one has a unique combination of hydration and anti-aging benefits that some others lack. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy and functional, with a nice design that's easy to use in the shower. I do wish it had a pump, but the flip cap still works fine. As for longevity, I've been using it for a while now, and I'm still nowhere near running out, which is great for the price. If you're wondering about customer support, I've had no issues with Alterna, but the brand does have a reputation for good customer service. They're responsive and have a loyal customer base, which speaks to their product quality and commitment to consumers. So, to wrap it up, does the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo live up to its promises? Absolutely. It hydrates, restores, and protects without using any harsh ingredients. If you have dry, brittle hair, especially as you age, this could be a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. It's not for everyone due to its price point, but for those in need of a deep hydration boost, I'd highly recommend it. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on future reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews to beauty lovers like you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, beauty is more than skin deep. It's all about feeling good inside and out. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you next time on Beautyistic.